In a world defined by precision and power, a new frontier has been conquered. Introducing EK CryoFuel Space Black, the first true black coolant in the EK portfolio. No dyes, no compromises, pure, profound darkness flowing through every channel of your system. We challenged convention. We coated our iconic Z-Tower in Venta Black to amplify its presence, and then we unleashed Space Black. Watch as the deep, inky fluid courses through the loops, transforming metal and glass into a living silhouette of performance. This isn't just liquid, it's intent. It's vision. It's the silent roar of innovation. When you choose Space Black, you choose to dominate the shadows, to stand out by blending in. Elevate your build, own the night, command infinity. EK CryoFuel Space Black, where black becomes infinite.